First, find the longest zigzag and count the number of points. Each point is a carbon. Don't forget the ends. Those are carbons too. Second, are there double or triple bonds on the main chain? If there are, it changes the end of the main name from "-ane" to "-ene" for double bonds or "-ine" for triple bonds. Once the main name is done, you got to figure out if there's any other functional groups that add on more prefixes or suffixes to the main name. If there are functional groups, what kind of functional groups are there? Look for the most comprehensive or the biggest functional group. For example, you could have a carbon double bonded to an oxygen, that's an aldehyde, but if it's a carbon double bonded to an oxygen and the carbon is also bound to an OH group, this is now a carboxylic acid, and a carboxylic acid has a higher priority than an aldehyde. Memorize the functional groups based on their order of priority. Here's the chart to help you figure it out. Once you've figured out the functional groups, number the carbon chain starting from the side that has the highest priority. Once you've numbered all of the carbons, give a prefix and then sometimes a suffix to all of those functional groups. So for example, if there's a chlorine attached to the second carbon on the chain, it would become 2-chloro, whatever else is going on. Once you've figured out functional groups, once you've figured out the actual main carbon chain, now you just put everything together. Figure out how many double or triple bonds you have in the main chain. Each of those double or triple bonds is also going to have a carbon number with it. So if there's a double bond connecting the second and third carbon, it would be 2, and then there would be an "-ene" at the very end. If there's 2 double bonds, it would be 2, 3, whatever, "-ene" at the very end. So double and triple bonds aren't really a functional group, but they do change the prefix or suffix of the main name, just like all of the functional groups do as well.